Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, for the first time, Jamaicans are now able to track the compliance levels of the island's public bodies through an online digital tool.
Launched by the Jamaica accountability meter portal JAMP, the public bodies tracker is expected to measure how public agencies are complying with their own policies and procedures.
The launch of JAMP's new accountability tool, the Public Bodies Tracker at the Ligani Club in St. Andrew Friday morning.
There are all these laws. So we're going to take all these laws and we're going to put them there and see, are the entities complying with their own laws?
Executive Director of JAMP, Janet Calder, says it is really a traffic light system that may flag a warning within a public body.
Not only for the boards who might not be paying attention, who could come to JAMP's track and say, hold on a minute, I thought we were doing better, but for the financial secretary, but for the cabinet secretary.
There are 156 public bodies in the island. Some are fully funded by tax dollars, some partially funded by taxpayers, and some self-financed. The tracker only measures 38 of the 156 entities, those with a budget of over $2 billion. So far, 29 are being assessed, and the compliance score is 74%.
All of the ones that we are currently tracking, you can just scroll, but if you know exactly what you're coming for, if you're looking at it from a funding perspective, if you're looking at it from a particular ministry, you can select and zone in. I'm always interested in the compliance section. What if Arthur was just interested in all those failing? You could just hit that button. And of course, you can just put in the search for a particular entity.
From the PSOJ perspective, we are delighted that this tracker is now here, because you will be able to go on, everybody in Jamaica will be able to go on and see how is this particular public body complying with our laws. In addition to the public bodies tracker, we're also launching the sectoral tracker today, and that was all Jeanette.
Now, the sectoral commitment tracker, which is coming soon, will measure whether ministers complied with the promises made to the public each year during their sectoral presentations. The trackers come at a time when recent Auditor General reports flagged several breaches at government agencies.
We in Jamaica like to say no, one. We like to think that everything is at zero. But this tracker is going to show you that there are ministries, there are public officials who are complying.